Hello, my name's Ben from Coachman Caravans. Today I'd like to show you around the Coachman Laser Xcel 845. The 845 is an 8-foot wide twin axle caravan. It features an island bed at the rear, a central washroom and spacious L-shaped lounge. Now in its third season, the Laser Xcel is firmly established within the premium sector of the market. For now though, come with me and we'll take a closer look. The Laser Xcel range benefits from our signature silver grey exterior sidewalls. These are further enhanced by the brand new graphics, which complement the external aesthetics and really make the Xcel stand out from the crowd. One of the key features of the Xcel range is the E&P levelling system. This system utilises hydraulic jacks, which level the caravan before putting down all 4 corner steadies. This means an uneven caravan pitch is no longer an issue for an Xcel owner. All of our models utilise a dual locker storage system. The near side is designed to accept 2 6-kilogram gas bottles. The off side is purely for storage and a great place to keep items that are used outside of the caravan. The Laser Xcel range comes with the Alco Secure wheel locks, one of the leading security devices available for your caravan. Other external key features are 100-watt solar panel, gas barbecue point, mains electric point, 10-spoke alloy wheels, offside services light. The Laser is also equipped with an underslung freshwater tank, which is suitable for all year-round use. The 845 is an 8-foot wide twin-axle caravan. The feeling of space created is exceptional and especially noticeable at the front of the caravan with the L-shaped lounge. The Xcel range features higher, more supportive backrests for increased comfort and support. The luxury kitchen benefits from high-gloss upper locker door and microwave surround. Individually lit under-counter pan drawers sat between premium quality composite work surfaces in white pebble design. It has extended workspace at the front and a lift-up extension to the side. Pull-out baskets provide a clever and practical storage solution. Moving through the caravan, we have the toilet and vanity sink opposite the separate shower. This central washroom is accessible from the front or rear of the caravan and can also be divided equally. The rear bedroom has a large island bed. It also features wardrobes to either side and overhead storage lockers. There is also ample storage underneath the bed. Internally, the Laser range offers a high level of finish to match the specification. Items such as the rich Leander wood grain is beautifully contrasted with cashmere locker doors. Soft LED lighting, which is not only practical but accentuates the attention to detail within the design. Soft close hinges to upper locker doors sit alongside the Alder wet central heating to ensure all year round comfort. Seamlessly integrated domestic style extractor fan. And the tall, dual-opening Dometic fridge with separate freezer compartment to keep your food fresh and your drinks cold. It isn't just our class-leading specification that makes the Coachman difference. Our design team have worked hard to ensure that styling, comfort and functionality are at the heart of what we do. Whether it be our sumptuous furnishings, our handmade furniture or practical design features that make your time in your Coachman caravan as enjoyable as possible. So if you'd like to learn more about the Laser Xcel 845 or perhaps other models within the Laser Xcel range, then head over to coachman.co.uk where you'll find full specification and details of your nearest dealer, where you can arrange a viewing and really appreciate what makes the Coachman difference.